Hey guys, this is Japan Monster channel. I'm Yukigeshu. Today I'm going to talk about the why Japanese people financial assets right now. I will introduce the fact of Japanese people financial assets compared with other countries. Circumstance of Japanese people's asset formation. Japanese system of financial assets. Today's data is from document of asset formation in the age of 100 years of life made by Japanese Financial Services Agency. I will tell the positive part and negative part of Japanese people financial assets right now. According to the documents, average income of elderly households compared with other major countries like US, UK, Germany, Japan is pretty low. I'm talking about the age is over 65 years old. I mention them as elderly people. The employment rate of the elderly in Japan is higher than in other countries. Men's top main reason for working even they became over 65 is to earn a living cost. The pension is not enough for them to pay out living cost. According to the Japanese Financial Services Agency's calculation, estimates that when households spend 250,000 yen, that's $2,000 a month for 30 years after retirement at the age of 65. $30 million, $248,000 deposit is required. I calculate the amount as when dollar is 121 yen. For a few weeks ago, $1 is equivalent with 115, but within a few weeks, yen is getting very low compared with the dollar. I kind of surprised. The pension itself does not cover post-retirement costs. This is a shocking fact, so it became a trend news for a while in 2019. As you look on the graph, the percentage of capital income of the elderly in Japan is low. Blue is public income, orange is labor income, green is capital income, which is a private pension and savings. Plus, there is data that household savings rate Japan is 2.6%, while US is 6.9%. That's more than the double of Japan, and OECD average is 4.8%. OECD is 38 of developed countries group. Let me introduce another data's fact. Effective asset formation is not down in Japan. 20 years of changes in Japanese people financial assets increased only double while Americans' financial assets increased 8 times. That's another shocking fact. Reason why such huge difference occur is high proportion of life insurance and banking deposits. So Japanese get little interest with these assets. You can tell Japan is not good at asset management. I guess you want to know what are American financial assets. In US, IRA, individual retirement account, private pension, and 401k, that's a corporate pension. Those are famous for retirement account. That's the highest proportion of the assets in US people. Second biggest asset is investment trust. That's a variety pack of stocks. So you can say that US is good at asset management. In Japan, the growth of financial assets due to investment returns is very small. Topics is index funds of around 2,200 of Japanese stocks together. With 10 years, 2.2 times of growth. VTR is invest in the entire US market, contains around 3,800 of stocks, American stocks. With 10 years, it has gained triple of growth. Compare with 5 years chart of these two index difference. While topics gain 23.66%, VTI gained 87.4% growth in 5 years. That's a huge difference. To change the situation, this is what Japanese government offer. iDeCo and NISA. Those are the most conscientious financial products. iDeCo is a private pension you cannot withdraw until you become 60 years old. It has great tax incentives. If the person is employee, maximum amount of investment is 23,000 yen. And that's $190 per month. If the person is self-employed, maximum amount of invest is 68,000 yen. That's $561 per month. That's the big difference. The amount of investment is calculated to reduce the tax from the labor income. Plus, investment profit is tax exempt. Usually, 20% of investment profit is taken as a tax in Japan. So this is a great deal. The person needs to pick investment products. Most of the products are investment trust. So it is low risk than pick the individual stock. On other hand, NISA does not have reduced tax from labor income, but like iDeCo, investment profit is tax exempt for limited years and able to withdraw anytime. It has wide range choices of investment products than the iDeCo. People can invest individual stock as well. Japanese government believe by utilizing these financial assets system, Japanese people can make excellent asset management. Of course, investing like a VTI invest in the entire US market contains around 3,800 American stock is better and safer than investing the Japanese stocks. In addition, Japanese government decided to high school students to get the subject of financial education. It will start from April of 2022, which is this year. They will study something like household budget management, investment, and financial literacy. It is going to be very helpful for the financial management and asset formation, I believe. For the summary, after age of 65, retirement living with pension does not pay out the 30 years of expense. 30 million yen, 248,000 deposit. Dollar. $248,000 deposit is required for living in Japan. So half of the people are still working. Compared with other countries, Japanese capital income, which is private pension and saving, is very low. So Japanese government made financial asset system, iDeCo and NISA, for compensates gap of lacking money after the retirement. And financial education will be helpful for develop the financial literacy. Today's Japanese vocabulary that I want you to remember is kinyu shisan, which means financial assets in Japanese. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the contents, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. And also leave some comments what kind of topic of video you would like to watch. I will talk to you soon. Bye.